Welcome to Romance Repair, where we dive deep into the intricacies of relationships, helping you navigate the complex world of love and connection. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find our content helpful. Today, we're unraveling a topic that's crucial for anyone in the dating scene: recognizing when you might be involved with a narcissist. Understanding these patterns is key to maintaining your emotional well-being and making informed decisions in your romantic life. Now, before we jump into the signs, it's important to clarify what narcissism really entails. Narcissistic Personality Disorder, or NPD, goes far beyond an inflated ego or a penchant for selfies. The DSM-5 outlines specific criteria for NPD, highlighting impairments in self and interpersonal functioning. This could manifest as an inflated sense of self-importance, a constant need for admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. Now let's dive into the signs. Sign number 1, the need for control. In relationships, narcissists need to hold the reins, making decisions big and small. This desire for control extends to their public image. If your partner dictates the terms of your relationship and is overly concerned with how others perceive them, it's a clear sign of narcissism. Control is paramount for a narcissist. They dictate the terms of the relationship, making decisions without regard for your opinions or preferences. This need for control extends to their public image, which they guard zealously. They manipulate situations to maintain a facade of perfection, even if it means undermining or devaluing you in the process. This relentless need for control creates an oppressive and stifling environment where your autonomy is compromised and your voice is silenced. Sign 2 is gaslighting tactics. Narcissists excel at manipulating reality, a technique known as gaslighting. They may question your memory of events or insist that their perspective is the only valid one, all to assert dominance and control. If you find yourself constantly second-guessing your own reality, it's time to take a step back. Gaslighting is a manipulation tactic narcissists use to control and dominate. It's a disorienting and harmful behavior that leaves victims doubting their own sanity. They exploit your trust, turning situations to their advantage and making you feel irrational for questioning them. This erosion of your confidence serves to further entrench their control, creating a toxic cycle of doubt and dependency. The third sign is excessive self-centeredness. With narcissists, everything revolves around them. They dominate conversations, talking at length about their own experiences and showing little interest in yours. If your partner makes every situation about themselves, failing to recall details about your life, this is a red flag. Narcissists are notorious for their excessive self-centeredness. Their world revolves around them, and they expect yours to do the same. Conversations are dominated by their experiences, their thoughts, and their feelings. They rarely, if ever, inquire about your day or show genuine interest in your life. This imbalance creates a one-sided relationship where your needs and desires are consistently overlooked or ignored. It's as if you're an extra in the story of their life, rather than a co-star. Sign number 4, disregarding boundaries. Narcissists often view personal boundaries as a challenge to overcome, pushing you to conform to their desires. If your partner regularly oversteps your boundaries and dismisses your preferences, it's toxic behavior that shouldn't be overlooked. Narcissists have little regard for personal boundaries. They don't respect them as essential to your autonomy and well-being. They push and prod, attempting to mold you to their desires. When you assert yourself or set limits, they become offended or dismissive, viewing your boundaries as a personal affront. This blatant disregard for your needs and preferences is a red flag, signaling a lack of respect and consideration in the relationship. The fifth sign on our list is lack of empathy. Narcissists struggle with empathizing with the feelings of others. If your partner seems indifferent to your emotions or dismisses your concerns, It's a stark indicator of their narcissistic tendencies. Empathy is a foreign concept to narcissists. They struggle to understand or care about the feelings of others, including their partners. They dismiss your emotions, invalidate your experiences, and often respond with indifference or irritation when you express your needs. This lack of empathy is a glaring indicator of their narcissism, highlighting their inability to forge genuine, reciprocal connections. So, as we delve deeper into understanding these traits, if you're finding this content helpful and you relate to what's being shared, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our romance repair community. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue to create content that makes a difference in your life. Now, let's continue with our list to ensure you have all the information you need to navigate relationships with awareness and confidence. Now, on to sign number 6, a love for drama. Narcissists thrive on drama. It feeds their need for attention and admiration. If your partner exaggerates their life story, playing the hero or the victim, to captivate your attention, be wary. They may be using these stories to manipulate your perception and gain your sympathy. A narcissist's life is a stage, and they are perpetually in the spotlight. They dramatize events, playing the hero or the victim, to capture your attention and sympathy. This constant need for drama is draining and can make the relationship feel like an ongoing soap opera. Their stories, often exaggerated for effect, are designed to manipulate your perception and ensure that they remain the center of your world. The 7th sign is constant bragging. Have you ever noticed your partner boasting excessively about their accomplishments, almost as if they're on a pedestal above everyone else? This could be a sign of grandiosity, a key trait in narcissism. They may express these ideas by belittling others and acting condescendingly, making you feel small in comparison. Bragging is second nature to a narcissist. They seem to place themselves on a pedestal, convinced that they are superior in almost every aspect. It's not just about their achievements, it's about proving that they are unparalleled. This grandiosity extends beyond just words. It's reflected in their attitude and behavior towards others. They treat people less than, and there's a palpable sense of disdain for anyone they perceive as inferior. This trait is draining, and it can leave you feeling inadequate and undervalued in the relationship. Sign number 8, emotional distance. Initially, a narcissist can seem charming and attentive, showering you with compliments and affection. But once they've secured your admiration, they pull away, becoming distant and disinterested. If you've noticed this sudden shift in your partner's behavior, it's a sign that their intentions may not be genuine. Emotional distance is a hallmark of relationships with narcissists. They may start off as the ideal partner. However, once they've secured your attachment, they withdraw emotionally. This sudden change leaves you confused and yearning for the connection that once was. They become distant, disinterested, and often irritable when you attempt to reconnect. It's a manipulative tactic designed to keep you off balance and insecure in the relationship. Now, do you feel exploited by your partner? Yes? Well, this is sign number 9. Being exploited. Reflect on your interactions with your partner. Do they take more than they give, leaving you feeling drained and unappreciated? If you're suspicious of being exploited and it happens all the time, take it as a sign you might be dealing with a narcissist. Trust your feelings. They take more than they give, draining your emotional resources without reciprocating. You may find yourself constantly catering to their needs and desires, while your own are neglected. This imbalance creates a dynamic of exploitation, where your value in the relationship is contingent upon your usefulness to them. Finally, sign number 10. Instant gratification. Narcissists crave immediate attention and validation. If your partner gets upset when you don't respond to their messages right away or demand your constant attention, this is indicative of their need for instant gratification and can create an unbalanced dynamic in your relationship. Narcissists' need for instant gratification can suffocate you. They crave constant attention and validation, and they become agitated when they don't receive it immediately. If you're not available to respond to their messages or cater to their needs at a moment's notice, they take it personally. This demand for immediate responsiveness creates a suffocating environment where your autonomy is stifled and your own life takes a backseat to their needs. If you're recognizing these signs in your relationship, it might be time to reevaluate and consider seeking support. Remember, your well-being should always be a priority. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Romance Repair for more guidance on navigating the complex world of relationships. We're here to help you build healthier, happier connections. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.